670 horsepower for $127,000. That's less than what Porsche charges for a Taycan with half the power. And here's the part nobody talks about. This is basically a Porsche. Same platform, same 800-volt architecture, same motors. But Audi did something sneaky. They made it better at being a grand tourer while Porsche chased lap times. Launch control drops the hammer and you're at 60 in 3.3 seconds. That's Lamborghini territory. But the wild part isn't the speed. It's how this thing charges. 320 kilowatts, 174 miles in 10 minutes. Most electric vehicles can't even dream of that charging speed. And the battery, 97 kilowatt hours, 300 miles of actual range. But here's where Audi separated from Porsche. The Taycan wants to attack every corner like it's qualifying lap. This thing? It wants to eat continents for breakfast. The suspension has adaptive air springs that lift the car when you open the door. Sounds gimmicky until you realize how low this thing sits. Standard all-wheel steering for 2026. That's new. Tighter turning circle than a hatchback in parking lots. Rock-solid stability at triple-digit speeds on the autobahn. The cabin is where this really pulls away from Tesla. Physical buttons for climate control. Actual knobs that turn. No digging through menus to adjust the temperature. Available Bang & Olufsen sound system that makes your favorite songs feel live. Ventilated massage seats wrapped in fine Napa leather. This isn't a tech demo, this is a proper luxury car. The steering wheel is wrapped in Dynamica with carbon atlas inlays. Feels like holding something designed for pilots. And the digital displays? Clean, simple, not overwhelming. Compare this to a Porsche Taycan 4S. The Porsche starts around $113,000 but needs $20,000 in options to feel complete. The Audi, standard equipment is generous. Adaptive cruise, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, all there from the jump. You're getting turbo-level performance at 4S money. The weight is 2,439 kilograms. Heavy, yes, but the torque vectoring system makes it dance anyway. 740 Newton-meters of torque. That's the twist that pins you to the seat. Quattro all-wheel drive routes power to whichever axle needs it most. Snow, rain, doesn't matter. The HD Matrix LED headlights with laser light are standard now. They see farther than your high beams ever could. Black optic package comes standard for 2026. Anthracite Audi rings, gloss black mirrors, murdered out luxury. Here's the honest truth. If you want the ultimate track weapon, buy the Taycan. But if you want to cross Europe in silence and arrive refreshed, this is the one. $127,700 gets you in. $137,000 for the prestige trim with every toy. Next time we're diving into something that makes even less sense on paper but somehow works. A hybrid that actually makes you want to plug it in. Drop a comment if you'd actually spend Porsche money on an Audi. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.